Greetings, friends. This time I want to show how I drew rain, or rather raindrops on transparent glass, through which you can see the city landscape with wet asphalt and car headlights on. The painting was painted in one session, but it acted according to the standard scheme of the case of underpainting, having outlined yellow-brown houses and green trees with a thin layer of sky with rainy clouds. There is already a slight disclosure of color, but I want to say that at this stage it is not worth paying much attention to drawing, because it will be a distant plan that is viewed through the window, which means the drops will distort and interrupt this image, so to speak. Shades of colors can be taken both bright and dim, depending on what kind of weather you want to show, during the rain or after it. Wet asphalt will take on the shades of the sky, because it is wet, and the reflexes of the sky in the water will be clearly expressed. And under the objects of the tram, cars and trees, the shadow will be the darkest. Here you can add blue, purple, pink and brown shades. The main thing is not to forget that the reflection in the water will be vertical. Despite the fact that it is asphalt, but it is covered with water. When drawing a tram and cars, I don't make them very bright, I want the brightness to be from the headlights of cars and their reflections. Therefore, I chose gray, yellow and purple shades with whitewash. I want to dim their brightness. But still, when these colors are displayed in the raindrops on the window, they will be colored, and this is exactly what I need. After all, it is the drops that are the main ones in this picture, and the whole landscape is secondary and only supports our idea. I drew all this quickly, I spent 20 minutes, I really wanted to start the droplets as soon as possible. Now I will outline the reflection of the headlights on the asphalt after the rain and you can proceed to the glass with raindrops. To do this, I took a thick mixture of yellow paint and white. The paint is still raw, which means it's time to start the drops. It is necessary to moisten the brush in a clean diluent and outline the drops that flow down the window, thereby interrupting the image, mixing paints. First, we use a brush to draw the so-called tracks, in which drops are collected, flow through the glass. Thanks to the pure diluent, the paints under the brush are blurred and mixed from each movement. Then you can add a little white to the diluent, but still the base should be a pure diluent. Or you can say so, this paint should be liquid and very much diluted. This mixture is supplemented with thin streams of water. Pay attention, the more these streams cross different objects, the sky, trees, asphalt and cars, the more beautiful they look and come to the fore more and more. And after that, you can also outline small raindrops that are too small to slide on wet glass. I'll add more urban lighting. This is a traffic light with a red light and city lights turned on, which additionally illuminate the city in cloudy weather. They will also give their beautiful shades to the drops on the glass. But from now on I will draw only drops and saturate them with different shades, now mainly with a mixture of white and blue paint. It's time to work out the drops a bit, as we are moving towards the final. It is necessary to add the most obvious shades of light, especially near the source and on the fractures of streams, as well as in individual drops. We add red near the traffic lights and tail lights, add white and yellow shades, as well as blue, green and gray near the lanterns and front headlights. Also do not forget that the drops have both illuminated and shadow parts. It is also worth emphasizing. The picture is almost ready. This is how the final version of this study looks like. I hope you are interested and look forward to seeing you again in the following videos. Bye bye.